Here is a little tour of my office where I spend almost every day editing. It's a creative space. I have my meetings in here. So here's a little tour of this room next to my studio where I'll show you everything that's important to me as a full-time photographer. So obviously starting with my desk, this is where I edit. So this is where I spend most of my days. Got a nice big monitor. I think that's important for starters, and a powerful computer as well. So the Mac Studio is just powerful enough for my editing. I've got the Mac Mini over there. There is normally a monitor there, but my kids having a sleepover and they wanted to game, so they borrowed a monitor. So the Mac Mini started getting really slow, so upgraded to the Mac Studio, and I'll just keep upgrading it every time I notice that it starts to get slower and slower as files get bigger and as cameras change. I've also got nice big speakers as well, nice little studio set up for the speakers, because when I'm editing video, I just want to listen to the sound properly, but also because when I'm listening to music, I want to listen to the music loud. I'm just going to point out as well that I've got a nice little keyboard, but this mouse, I was getting loads of wrist pain from editing and working with the Apple Magic Mouse all day, every day, and like it was hurting up my arm and it was really hurting my wrist. So I've changed to the Logitech mouse, and it is just loads better. The pain's gone away. It's just ergonomically better for my wrist. So if you're experiencing any pain and you're using an Apple Magic Mouse, I don't want to get sued, but mine went away when I changed mouses. Up here, I've just got loads of like character in the room, stuff that I like, old cameras, skulls, tattoo stuff, lyrics, characters. Just, I wanted to add like a bit of creativity to the room, so it wasn't just a plain room. So that's the reason for just a bit of a creative corner. I'm also an ambassador for Sneak, so that is like a caffeine energy drink. If I'm ever flagging, I'll get on the Sneak and just a little pick me up. I can only take half a scoop because my heart starts beating fast. Got the reassuring mirror here, always looking good. So here's where all my cameras are stored. The lower you go down, like the cameras and lenses that I use less and less. So up the top is my main, I'll just grab them and go. This has been a great little purchase as well, this power bank from SmallRig. That is great even just for charging MacBooks, unbelievably, on the go. That's been a great purchase. Yeah, some of the older lenses that I don't use so much, so like 85, 35, I could shoot every job all day, every day on my 50mm 1.2. I love that lens, so that rarely leaves my camera. This is my chill out space, so when I'm having meetings or if I'm just creating videos, reels, I'll sit here and edit on here just on my phone. But one of the main things that I wanted to do was when I'm sitting working at my desk, I've got a perfect view of the TV. So if I want to put like Beard Meets Food on the TV, or I want to put inspirational, or I want to put educational, I'll sit and just have YouTube videos playing all day, learning while working, which is like a good way to do it, isn't it? I think it's important to like have reminders of why you do what you do, why you work hard. So I've put like family holiday pictures up and just photos from when we've been away on holiday. So just again, adding creativity and inspiration to the room, as well as business books. I'm always learning from books and reading and trying to educate, and just photo books where I can take inspiration from as well. Got more down here, photos and old photographers and new photographers who've just brought books out, and I'll buy them. If you know any good ones, please do tag them in the comments, because I love a good photo book. I love seeing photos in print rather than on the screen. They're just so much better. And here I've got a collection of plants that I slowly like to watch die, because I'm a sicko. I don't really, they just won't live. I've been taking creatine as well, because I heard it's good for the brain. I don't know how true that is. And it's gone lumpy because I let moisture get in there. So if anybody's got any feedback on creatine as well working, hit me up. Oh, one thing I do want to point out, I've got this little board of accessories, but in here, I've got loads of tripod plates, because I keep losing them, and harness things, whatever you'd call them, to go in the bottom of the camera to hang on my harness, because I keep losing them. So I just bought loads on eBay, eBay, who uses eBay? I bought loads on Amazon, and I just throw them around the office in my drawers, etc. And just so I don't lose them. And I recommend doing that as well. And that is a quick tour of my office / editing room / hangout space. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.